90% of babies need absolutely nothing. They need no stimulation, they need no breaths or anything. So that's statistically. The other 10% usually only need drying and stimulating and maybe some postural drainage, but rarely need much, okay? And then there's 1% that might need more intervention, like breaths and even chest compressions, but it's very low, okay? So we're gonna show you, for the sake of demonstration, is looks like your baby might need a little help with some mucus. Do you mind if I just lift her up for a minute? Okay, so we always ask permission, especially if there's time to say it in a way that's very respectful. If you're in the middle of a labor and it's an emergency shoulder dystocia and you're trying to get stuff done, sometimes you just do it. But with this, I would say, you know, ask her if it's okay. And baby needs a little bit of help, so we're gonna just do some.
Do you do it right over the mom?
Yeah, I'm doing it right on you, so you can see, and you can talk to baby and say, "It's okay, baby," and then baby's like, baby's spitting up some mucus. So we're actually gonna look at the baby's face and realize baby needs to have the baby face washed, wiped off, and then normally, oh, there's baby. Now we can change this linen out, get a fresh blanket, and put it over mommy and baby, because we always want to have dry, changed out blankets on the baby and on mom, okay? Now, that's the end of that.